In the dynamic realm of IT management, Microsoft Intune is leading a transformative shift, empowering organizations to embrace the future powered by AI and automation. The integration of Copilot for security and AI in Microsoft Intune marks a significant milestone, steering away from the conventional utility model to a proactive stance that drives business value. AI and automation are set to streamline routine maintenance, freeing IT professionals to focus on areas where they can truly add value. The shift to Intune and cloud-native technologies calls for a fresh approach to security, policymaking, and endpoint management. Adopting Intune successfully requires a strategic approach to change management, including pilot programs and engaging stakeholders. Microsoft offers tools to calculate the return on investment for Intune, making it easier to justify the transition in business terms. As we look to the future, the role of IT in business is not just support